So this is the pressure washer gun that I recorded yesterday. So I want to show you guys how this pressure washer gun box looks like, and I'll open it right now. So I will not talk. So I will not speak so much for now. So yeah. Here's what's inside of the hard case. This is not a hard case, but it's just a box for carrying around, convenient. So these nozzles here are not included if you are buying the whole set, but they do include them as accessory. But if you're buying this whole gun here, it's not gonna include that. So you just get a gun, nozzle, extender, and the spray gun, and your intake pipe, gun, and one battery. I bought as additional for 4 milliamp hour battery, 4.0. So this is full on brushless, so you don't have to worry about the motor not lasting long. So it's brushless, as you can see by the looks of the fan on the back of the motor is a brushless motor, and this one has I'm not sure if it's metal or plastic plunger type pump, but it's quite powerful. So you got LCD display here, which is for your mode settings on this. You can set the speed of this thing. So you got 3 modes on 3 speeds on this thing. So yeah, I've been using it yesterday. Recorded a video yesterday, but I got it two days ago. So this is the gun itself. This one's not included with the gun, but I bought it separately. So yeah, these are all included: the hoses, the filter, and also the hose and the connector. You need to connect it yourself. You install it yourself. So this is the battery that it came with. It's a 4.0 milliamp hour battery, and it's quite best when it comes to the battery itself. It has an indicator, but you can look at the LCD screen on this thing. So yeah, battery indicator, and a battery charger just right there. So you get battery indicator, and I got a separate battery, so I got 2 batteries version. So I got another battery that's charged, so I got 2 batteries. You see this one, it's a bit longer. This one doesn't. This one's just press. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this short review on this pressure washer here. And yeah, see you in the next video. Not sure when I'll start recording stuff again. So yeah, been using this, and yeah, it's kind of nice to use this. So this is my first ever pressure washer gun, I mean, I always wanted one since like a couple years ago. So yeah, that's it for this video. So see you in the next video. I'm not sure when I will start recording videos, so that's why not that's why I'm not posting videos so often on this channel, because I'm nothing to talk about and yeah, just go on with my life. So yeah, that's it for this video, and yeah,